हेलो एंड वेलकम दोस्तों आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इमेज प्रोसेसिंग के यूनिट नंबर 2 के एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि AKTU 2019-20 के बैच के लिए जो एग्जाम लेने वाले हैं वो एमसीक्यू टाइप पैटर्न में होगा, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो यार हम देखते हैं अपने यूनिट 2 के एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस में। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन हमारा, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द टर्म पिक्सल डेप्थ। पिक्सल डेप्थ का क्या मतलब है? ऑप्शन नंबर ए, इसमें हमारा आंसर है नंबर ऑफ बिट्स यूज्ड टू रिप्रेजेंट ईच पिक्सल इन RGB स्पेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, how many bit RGB color image is represented by full color image? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी 24 बिट। आपका ये है थर्ड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन यूज्ड टू ऑब्टेन आई इंटेंसिटी कंपोनेंट ऑफ ईच RGB पिक्सल इन RGB कलर फॉर्मेट। इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, आई इक्वल टू 1/3 होल मल्टीप्लाई बाय R प्लस G प्लस B। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, what is the equation used for obtaining R value in terms of HSI components? इसका आंसर आपका ऑप्शन नंबर सी। Then fifth question, the edges and other abrupt changes in gray levels of image are associated with, इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए, high frequency components। Question number 6, a type of image is called a VHRR image. What is the definition of VHRR image? It is option number C, very high resolution radiometer image। Question number 7, the image sharpening in frequency domain can be achieved by which of the following method? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, attenuating the low frequency components। 8, the function of filters in image sharpening in frequency domain is to perform reverse operation of which of the following low pass filter? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ideal low pass filter। 9th question, if D0 is the cutoff distance measured from origin of frequency rectangle and DUV is the distance from points U, V, then what is the value do an ideal high pass filter will give if DU, V less than D0 and if DU, V greater than D0? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर है 0, 1 respectively। Question number 10, what is the relation of frequencies to a circle of radius D0 where D0 is a cutoff distance measured from origin of frequency rectangle for an ideal high pass filter? इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन नंबर सी, all of the mentioned। Question number 11, which of the following is the transfer function of Butterworth high pass filter of order n? D0 is the cutoff distance measured from origin of frequency rectangle and DU, V is the distance from point U, V। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, जो फॉर्मूला आपको गिवन है। Question number 12, which of the following is the transfer function of the ideal high pass filter given D0 is the cutoff distance measured from origin of frequency rectangle and DU, V is the distance from point U, V। इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, जो फॉर्मूला आपको गिवन है। 13th, सो हम 13 देखेंगे। 13th में क्या है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 में इसमें गिवन है हमारे पास कि which of the following is the transfer function of Gaussian high pass filter given D0 is the cutoff distance measured from origin of frequency rectangle and DU, V is the distance from point U, V। It is option number C, ये जो फॉर्मूला आपको यहाँ पर गिवन है। Question number 14, for a given image having a smaller object which of the following filters having D0 as the cutoff distance measured from origin of frequency rectangle would prefer for a comparably smooth result? इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन नंबर सी, GHPF with D0 15 and order 2। 15th question, if Gaussian filter is expressed as this is the distance from U, V, D0 distance defining cutoff frequency and then for value DU, V the filter is down 0.607 of its maximum value। इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए। 16th, state the statement is true या false। ठीक है, ये बता रहा है the GLPF did not produce much smoothing as the BLPF of order 2 for same frequency of cutoff frequency। इसका आंसर false, ऑप्शन नंबर बी। In general, which of the following assures of no ringing in the output? A, Gaussian low pass filter। 18th, the low pass filtering process can be applied in which of the following areas? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी, all of the mentioned। 19th, which of the following statement is true for the given fact that applying high pass filters has an effect on background of output images? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, the average background intensity reduces to near black। 20, color model is also named as C, color space and color system। What 21, what is the equation used for calculating B value in terms of HSI components? Option number D। 22, what is the equation used for calculating G value in terms of HSI components? Option number A। 23, which of the following color models are used for color printing? Option number D। 24. Which of the following fact is true for the relationship between the low pass component of Fourier transform and the rate of change of Gray levels? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी, all of the mentioned. 25. Which of the following fact is true for the relationship between high pass frequency component of Fourier transform and the rate of change of Gray levels? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, moving away from the origin transform, the high frequency corresponds to abrupt changing in Gray level. 26. Which is the name of the filter that multiplies two functions fu, v and hu, v, where f is the complex component 2 since its Fourier transform function fx, y in order that each component h multiplies both real and complex parts of corresponding component in f. इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी, जीरो फेज शिफ्ट फिल्टर. To set the average value of an image 0, which of the following term would be set 0 in frequency domain, and inverse transformation done where fu, v is the Fourier transform function of fx, y. इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए, f0, 0. 28. What is the name of the filter that is used to turn the average value of processed image 0? Option number B, notch filter. 29. Which of the following filters attenuates high frequency while passing low frequency of an image? Option number B, low pass filter. Which of the following filters attenuates low frequency while passing high frequency of an image? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, हाई पास फिल्टर. 31. Which of the following filter have a less sharp detail than original image because of the attenuation of high frequency? Option number B, low pass filter. 32. The features of a high pass filter image is D, all of the mentioned. 33. A spatial domain filter of the corresponding filter frequency domain can be obtained by applying which of the following operations on filter in frequency domain? Option number B, inverse Fourier transform. 34. A frequency domain filter of corresponding filter in spatial domain can be obtained by applying which of the following operations on filter spatial domain? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए, Fourier transform. 35. Which of the following filtering is done in the frequency domain is corresponding to low pass filtering in a spatial domain? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए, Gaussian filtering. 36. Using the feature of reciprocal relationship of filter in a spatial domain and corresponding filter in frequency domain, which of the following fact is true? Option number A, the narrower the frequency domain filter results in increased blurring. 37. A pixel at coordinates x, y has neighbors whose coordinates are given by this. The set of pixel is called A, 4 neighbors of P. 38. A pixel at coordinate this has neighbors with coordinate this. तो इसका आंसर है आपका diagonal neighbors. 39. What is the set of pixels of 8 neighbors of pixel P at coordinate x, y? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर B. 42 pixels P and Q having gray values from V. The set of gray level values used to define adjacency and M adjacent if. Option number C, any of the mentioned. 41. Let S, a subset of pixels in image, is said to be connected set if all of the mentioned. इसका आंसर है 42. Let R be a subset of pixels in an image. How can we define the contour of R? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर C, all of the mentioned. 43. For pixels this D is distance function or metric if. Option number D, all of the mentioned. 44. The Laplacian in frequency domain is simply implemented by using filter. इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर C, ये वाला. And then 45. Question number, assuming that origin of f u, v Fourier transform of function f x, y, an input image has been correlated by performing the operation this. If f and f are same size, then what does the given operation is supposed to do? It is supposed to do shifts the center transform. 46. For pixel values this Euclidean distance between P and Q is defined as option number A. 47. Pixel this the city block distance between P and Q defined as option number B. 48. The domain that refers to image plane itself and the domain that refers to Fourier transform of an image is option number C, spatial domain and frequency domain respectively. 49. What is the technique for a gray level transformation function called if transformation would be to produce an image of higher contrast than original by darkening the level below some gray level and brightening the levels above in the original image? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, आपका contrast stretching. 50. For image enhancement, a general approach is to use a function of values of f input image in a predefined neighborhood of x, y to determine the values of g output image at x, y. The techniques that uses such approach are called option number C, it is mask processing। तो आज की वीडियो के लिए दोस्तों इतना ही, और वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को प्रेस कर देना, आपको लेटेस्ट वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहेगा। और वीडियो को लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो यार चैनल को, और वीडियो को शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, हैव अ नाइस डे एंड कीप रॉकिंग, बाय बाय।